your controller not working in LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight on PC? Whether your gamepad is not detected or not responding properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix it. Solution 1. Enable or disable Steam input. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight and select Properties. Go to the Controller tab on the left. Find Override for LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight and set it to Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and check if your controller works. If it doesn't work, go back and set it to Disable Steam Input. Then launch the game again and test it. Solution 2. Configure controller settings in Steam. Open Steam and click on Settings. Go to the Controller section. Click on Show Advanced Settings. Now locate External Gamepad Settings. Enable only the options that match your controller. If you use an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. You can also try disabling it if enabling doesn't work. If you use a PlayStation controller, locate PlayStation Controller Support. Try setting it to Not Enabled. If that doesn't work, try Enable in games without support. If you use a Switch controller or generic controller, do the same by enabling or disabling the corresponding support options. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver, if it's available. Final step. Now launch LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight and test your controller. Your controller should now work properly in the game. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you still have issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.